This one goes out to the microwaves of love.